Whether you are a pro writer or a budding blogger, if you've got great topics and a unique voice, there are people looking to pay you for your skills. Yes, pay you to blog. But remember, blogging isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires strategy and effort. So let's talk about 6 different ways you can make money blogging.
The first way to make money blogging is to write sponsored posts. So writing sponsored posts can be a really lucrative deal. And these are just articles that you write either for your own blog or for somebody else's about a product, a service, or a company. A couple examples where you can do this could be sponsor reviews, pay to blog, Blogvertise, and Linkworth. You should really create a page for sponsors to request a media kit containing your rates, your traffic stats, and what you can offer. These media kits let interested parties know that you mean business. You look polished and professional, and you don't have to worry about the headache of negotiating a price with sponsors. You can also become part of a blog opportunities or outreach program. There are a lot of different programs available to bloggers to get them exposed to other brands, and some of these examples include Blog Meets Brand, Blog Dash, Pollinate, and Clever Girls Network.
You can also try affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, you sell other people's products and services while enjoying a percentage of sales. And the key here is not to force it. Don't do it. If you have a blog that talks about items like, tech gadgets, that's fun. You can make suggestions to your readers without coming across as overbearing. And there are a bunch of different affiliate marketing programs for a wide variety of niches. And if you do some research into your favorite niche, you might be able to find affiliate programs that fit your blog. So check out the eBay Partner Network, Affiliate Window, or Amazon Associates.
You can also become a virtual assistant blogger. Now, this gives you the freedom to work for one or several blogs on either a per article price or per hour rate. Bloggers are always looking to fuel their blog with more content in order to make sure their site looks attractive. It's also referred to as ghost blogging, and you don't receive author credit. So pre-writing articles for sale can help with credibility when you're just starting out, and almost like a sample of what you can do. In addition to your media kit, consider creating a page or a section on your blog with a list of article titles for sale. If you don't sell them, you can always submit them as a contributor to widen the appeal in the long run.
You can also blog regularly for a bigger company. And getting hired to blog for a company can help you bring in a regular paycheck. Awesome. Some companies will pay top dollar for excellent articles, and it can earn you a few $100s depending on the size of the article and whether or not the company asks you to promote the post on your social network handles. And although some companies invite bloggers into their network, there are others that post job listings. So a few places to keep in mind if you'd like to get a job blogging for a company are We Work Remotely, Pro Blogger Jobs, LinkedIn, Blogging Pro Job Board, Upwork, Freelancer.com, and Simply Hired.
Another way is to join networks that do ad sharing. So ad sharing allows networks to host platforms for bloggers to publish their content while making money. When an ad that's tied to your article within their network is clicked or viewed, sometimes you get a small percentage. And payout times vary, so keep your budget in mind.
You can also join Google AdSense. If you want to do more than subbing work to other ad sharing platforms, consider hosting ad networks on your site. Ads can be links, banners, or even video, and the potential for passive income from clicks is viable. Just remember, it can take time to earn a payout, especially if your blog doesn't receive a lot of traffic.
Hopefully this list of resources will help you learn how to make money blogging, but that's a wrap. Your journey doesn't have to end here because we have over 300 videos for you to watch.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is The Journey.